Deadly nightshade, Atropa belladonna, is a highly poisonous plant from the Solanaceae family, growing 1 to 2 meters tall with dark green oval leaves, purple-brown bell-shaped flowers, and shiny black berries. Native to Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia, now also in North America. It contains toxic tropane alkaloids, atropine, scopolamine, hyoscyamine, that can cause vision problems, dry mouth, rapid heartbeat, hallucinations, seizures, coma, and death, though once used medically as a pupil dilator, antispasmodic, and antidote. Its modern medical use is very limited. This plant is extremely dangerous and should be avoided.